Hello children, this is your computer teacher. In computers, chapter first, that is networking concepts was going on. Chapter was complete and exercises were given as the homework, but few students could not complete and understand the exercises. So today we will take a recap of exercises. So let's get started. A. Filling the blanks. First is dash is a computer network created for an individual person. As you know, individual means only a single person. So PAN personal area network is a computer network which is created for an single or individual person. Second is dash system allows us to talk to any person in the world at any time. So the answer is communication. Using this system we can talk to any person. Third is a computer network enables two or more computers to share dash and hardware dash. So in a network we can share data and hardware resources. So the right answer is data and resources. Now fourth is in a network modification or upgradation of the software or data is done at a dash only. Means in a network where so many computers are connected, we can upgrade or we can edit the data at a single point only, from a single place only. Okay, so the right answer is single point. Fifth is the computers that communicate with each other are called nodes. In a network, computers who are connected to each other, they are called nodes. Sixth is a network maintained without using wire is called wireless networking. So the right answer is wireless networking. Seventh is dash and dash are the different types of networking. The answer is LAN and MAN. B. Straight true or false. First is nodes and servers have the same function. As you know, every computer who is connected in networking is called a node, and server is the main computer who controls everything, who provides services to the clients. So this is false. Second is Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. This is true. Third is network cards are used to physically attach a computer to a network. This is also true. Fourth is WAN stands for wide area network. This is true. Fifth is in client server network there is no central server. As you know, in client server there is a central server who controls everything and who provides services to the clients. So this is false. Sixth is extranet refers to a computer network restricted to an organization. See children, we have two terms, intranet and extranet. When computers are connected within an organization, within a company, then that is called intranet. And when we connect the computers of an organization with the computers of other organization, then that is called extranet. So here it is saying that extranet refers to computer network restricted to organization, means which is only limited to an organization. So this is saying wrong, since in extranet we can connect our computer with the computers of other organization also. So this is false. Now application based question. First is Mr. Hemant has set up his office with 50 computers. He wants to connect computer and peripheral devices within his office building with wires. Which type of network will you suggest him to use? As you know, within a single building, if you want to connect the computers, we use local area network, that is LAN. So the right answer is LAN. Second is which type of network architecture is most suitable when a few number of computers having similar power and capacity are to be networked together. As you know, if we are having similar power and capacity in the computers, then we can use peer-to-peer network architecture. And if we have one computer who is more powerful than other computers, then that computer can become a server and other computers can become the clients. So in that case, client-server network can be used. But in this case, peer-to-peer network is the right answer. Third is Arpita wants to attach her computer to a network so that it can participate in network communication. Which card will you suggest her to use? As you know, network card is used to make your computer connected with other computers, to make your computer participate in network communication. So the right answer is network card. Fourth is Raman wants to send a few photographs and songs to one of his friends by interconnecting mobile phones using short-range wireless connection. Which technology would be the most suitable for her? As you know, to interconnect two mobile phones wirelessly in short range, we can use Bluetooth technology. So the right answer is Bluetooth. E. Multiple choice question. First is Which is the most commonly used network card? The answer is Ethernet network card. As you know, Ethernet network card is the most commonly used network card. Second is, the dash are the certain set of rules that determine how data should be transferred over network. The right answer is protocols. As we know, protocols are the set of rules which tells us that how the data should be transferred over the network. Third is, what do we call the computers that are connected to the server? As you know, all the computers which are connected to the server are called clients or nodes. So here you can find nodes. So the right answer is nodes. Fourth is, dash security means protecting data and resources from any unauthorized access. The right answer is network. So children, I hope that now all your doubts are clear and the chapter is complete. This much for today. Thank you. Bye bye.